Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Global Chartist. Today we will talk about our series Stock of the Week. My name is Tarun Kalia. So friends, today I have come up with two stocks. One is Tamil Nadu Petro. Okay. So this stock has given a breakout on weekly chart. In fact, on daily chart also, but it is looking very good on weekly charts too. So for reference, we will take a weekly chart. On weekly chart, stock has almost given a breakout after 2.5 years. After a consolidation of 2.5 years, stock has given a breakout. इस स्टॉक के अंदर 2.5 साल का कंसोलिडेशन हुआ है, जिसके बाद इसने लास्ट वीक ही ब्रेकआउट दिया है. Currently it is trading at 50.45. ये स्टॉक या तो 51 रुपीज 50 पैसे के ऊपर और डिप्स पे 45-46 के आसपास इसको हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. दिस स्टॉक कैन टेस्ट 56, 60 एंड 65 प्लस ऑल्सो. The stock is having a very good support at 36. Time frame for this stock is 2 to 4 months, and if anyone can even hold for a long term also for much more period, then the target can be extendable, but targets we will extend after only it crosses 60. Then I will review it and then I will update. So अभी के लिए फिलहाल ये targets हैं. Then because 60 is some minor resistance is at 60 rupees, so we will see to it once it will cross 60. And another stock is BEML. See, already गवर्नमेंट हमारी मोदी गवर्नमेंट ऑलरेडी स्टेक सेल कर रही है पीएसयूज में. ऑलरेडी प्राइवेटाइजेशन भी हो रहा है, इन्वॉल्वमेंट्स भी हो रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ पीएसयूज को प्राइवेटाइज किया जा रहा है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट फॉर दीज कंपनीज. सो फॉर बीएमएल का स्टॉक का भी सेम. अभी स्टॉक ने कप एंड हैंडल का ब्रेकआउट दिया है, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर इज ऑल्सो देयर. सो on weekly time frame, only this stock has given a breakout. In fact, on daily too. On daily charts, the stock has given a breakout of rounding bottom formation. Even a cup and handle also. And but for reference, we will take a weekly chart. And on weekly charts, ये स्टॉक को हम या तो 1100 जब क्रॉस हो अबव 1100 और डिप्स पे 1040 तक हम इसको ऐड कर सकते हैं. स्टॉक कैन टेस्ट 1200 to 1250, even more, with support at 950. But once it will cross 1250, I will review it. A time frame for this stock also 3 to 6 months. So you can do your own research also for both the companies. Both the companies are looking good on technical charts. So these two charts I'm looking at for next week to add up in my portfolio. So you can take your own decision. You can research on it, and then you can trade accordingly. So friends, that's it for today. So next week I will come up with new stock of the week. Thank you, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.